In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ship packages as cheaply as possible on Depop. If you're selling items on Depop or just want to learn the most cost-effective way to get your packages to their destinations, then you're in the right place. Shipping can often become one of the trickiest parts of selling online, especially when you're trying to keep costs low while ensuring your buyer gets their item promptly and in good condition. Let's dive into the crucial steps you'll need to follow. First, it's essential to understand that there are several shipping options available to Depop sellers, and finding the most economical choice requires a little bit of effort. Begin by assessing the size and weight of your package. Generally, smaller, lighter packages will cost less to ship, so consider this when you're deciding how to package your items. Now, knowing your package details, navigate to the shipping part of your Depop app or website. Check if Depop's integrated shipping option, which partners with local postal services, is the best fit for you. Often, platforms like USPS, Royal Mail, or the local equivalent may offer cheaper options for smaller parcels. However, if your item is especially heavy or large, it's worth checking services like UPS or FedEx for competitive rates. Here's a tip: make use of shipping calculators that are available on the Postal Service's websites. Input the dimensions and weight of your package along with the destination details to estimate shipping costs. By doing this, you can compare directly between different carriers and choose the one that fits your budget best. Packing your items securely is another vital step. Reusing materials like cardboard boxes or mailing envelopes in good condition can help save money as well as be environmentally friendly. Ensure that your item is padded sufficiently, using materials you have on hand such as newspaper or bubble wrap. This protects the item during transit and minimizes the risk of returns due to damage. Once you're satisfied with your packaging, it's a good idea to double-check the delivery address. Typos in the address can lead to delayed or undelivered packages, which might incur additional costs, so accuracy is key. Also, don't forget to attach a return address, just in case the package needs to be returned to you for any reason. When it's finally time to ship, take advantage of any discounts that might be available through your chosen carrier. Some courier services offer reduced rates for shipping labels purchased online versus in a physical location, saving you a few more dollars. Track your package to ensure it arrives safely to the buyer. This not only provides peace of mind but can considerably enhance your credibility as a seller on Depop. And there you have it. By carefully considering these steps, you can effectively ship your packages as cheaply as possible, keeping both your costs and your buyers happy. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!